Hello and welcome back. This video will show you how to create a stylish knotted headband using your desired fabric. We will have none of the original plastic headband showing through. So this pattern is available for you to download on my website in the free resource library. This free resource library is available to anyone who is interested. All you need to do is click on the link in the description box below, enter your email, and the password to the resource library will be directly sent to your email inbox. For this, you would need to use stretchy fabric that has a bit of stretch in it. This pattern has been designed for stretchy fabrics, so you will need 2 pieces of the larger pattern piece. You would also need to cut it on the fold. The smaller piece is very important because that's actually what stabilizes your headband, the plastic headband that goes on the inside. So you need to cut out 2 pieces, not on the fold. You need it to be 3 centimeters away from the edge of the larger piece. It needs to be 3 centimeters on both sides, and try to get it in the center. It has a 1 centimeter seam allowance, so all you need to do is stitch along both sides of it. Please do not close it, so just stitch it on both sides. So now that you have the strips sewn onto your large piece, you need both right sides facing each other. Pin both large pieces together and you are going to sew them up. However, you would need to leave a section open so you can turn your entire headband cover around. Do not forget it has a 1 centimeter seam allowance. There's my gap. And that explains the reason why you need to have it 3 centimeters away from the edge, so that you will not stitch it together.